Hello everyone, my name is Maxim, and in the next videos I will show how you can organize the performance testing process on your project. These videos will be helpful primarily for the beginners who are just taking their first steps in IT, and also for the experienced specialists who want to save time searching for the necessary information. The course is divided into 17 videos with a total duration of 1 hour and 50 minutes. In the first part of each video, a corresponding infographic will be given for the visual demonstration of the future technical task and the way to solve it. And in the second part, we will implement this way into practice. The course is absolutely free and completed. All videos are published, and the source code of the project can be downloaded from the link specified in the description. I hope you enjoy watching it.